Today we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new DJI Flip and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Flip is an autonomous drone with integrated propeller guards and an ultra-portable design, making it perfect for quick, hassle-free flights. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro sticks to the classic foldable drone formula, but packs in a powerful camera and advanced flight features. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two drones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with design. These two drones couldn't be more different in their approach. The Mini 4 Pro continues DJI's tradition of foldable drones, making it super easy to carry around. On the other hand, the Flip brings a fresh take with built-in propeller guards, which fold underneath for storage. Both drones weigh 249 grams, meaning they fall under the same C0 classification for simplified regulations. But the Mini 4 Pro has the edge in portability when folded, making it easier to slip into a bag. While the Flip is slightly bulkier, but it offers a more rugged build thanks to its protective design, which is ideal for those prioritizing durability over compact storage. If storage space is a priority for you, the Mini 4 Pro wins this round. But for those seeking extra protection, the Flip holds its own. When it comes to flight performance, the Mini 4 Pro is faster and more stable. It reaches speeds of up to 57.6 kilometers per hour in sport mode, compared to the Flip's 43.2 kilometers per hour. Both drones can handle level 5 wind resistance, but in real-world conditions, the Mini 4 Pro remains steadier in strong winds thanks to its more aerodynamic design. On the other hand, while the Flip's slightly slower, it provides a more beginner-friendly flight experience with smoother movements and automated flight modes designed for casual use. In terms of battery life, the Mini 4 Pro holds a slight edge. DJI claims 34 minutes of flight time compared to the Flip's 31 minutes, but real-world usage tells a slightly different story. The Mini 4 Pro typically lasts between 25 and 30 minutes, while the Flip averages around 20 to 25 minutes. The difference isn't huge, but if squeezing out every extra minute matters to you, the Mini 4 Pro takes the win. So if the speed, wind resistance, and battery life are important to you, the Mini 4 Pro is the stronger performer. But for a relaxed, easygoing experience, the Flip does a great job. Moving on to safety and durability, the DJI Flip takes the lead. Thanks to its permanent propeller guards, it's far more resistant to crashes and safer to fly near people, making it a great choice for families or beginners. But the Mini 4 Pro has exposed propellers, which are more fragile and could pose a safety risk in case of an accident. That being said, the Flip's low rear propellers can get caught in grass or small debris, making takeoff and landing a bit trickier. But since it's designed for hand takeoff and landing, that issue is minimized. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro includes an advanced obstacle avoidance system, which can help prevent crashes in complex environments. If safety is your top concern, the DJI Flip is the better pick, but if you want advanced obstacle detection, the Mini 4 Pro has a slight advantage. Now, let's talk about camera performance. Both drones use the exact same sensor with 12 megapixels and 48 megapixels photo modes, as well as 4K video recording up to 100 frames per second. But the Mini 4 Pro has a crucial advantage. Its gimbal can rotate vertically, allowing for native 4K vertical video, perfect for social media content. The Flip achieves vertical video through cropping, but it reduced the resolution to 2.7K. Additionally, the Mini 4 Pro offers an HLG profile for HDR footage, giving it an extra boost in dynamic range. But the Flip comes with enhanced automated shooting modes that make capturing cinematic shots effortless for beginners. If content creation is your focus, the Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. But if you prioritize ease of use and automation, the Flip has its perks. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The DJI Flip is the more budget-friendly option, starting at $439, while the Mini 4 Pro comes in at $799. Even with the higher-end bundles, the Flip remains significantly cheaper, making it a great choice for those looking for an affordable, high-quality drone. But the Mini 4 Pro justifies its price with superior flight stability, FPV compatibility, obstacle avoidance, and vertical video capabilities. If you're looking for value, the Flip wins. But if you want premium features, the Mini 4 Pro is worth the extra cost. As for my final verdict, The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a top-tier drone that checks a lot of boxes. It's stable, fast, and packed with high-end features, making it ideal for serious drone pilots and content creators. But if you're looking for a simple, fun, and safer drone for casual flying, the DJI Flip is an excellent alternative. So, which one suits your needs best? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.